In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys the method and strategies that I'm using that helped me to earn $4,600 in commission just in 17 days using free traffic from YouTube. I made this commission from the first day of July until the day 17th of July. 4,600 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing business using free traffic. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new method, new strategies, and let's get started. So first you need to open an Amazon affiliate account like this one, okay? So what you will do, you will just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link like this. Just click on the first link, you will be directly in this Amazon sign up process page. Click over here on sign up. You will be directly in this page again. Click over here on create your Amazon account and you will be directly in this page. Put your first and last name here. Put your email address, your password again here, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. It will take just 1 minute. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing, with Amazon Associate, okay? So this will be your commissions here and you have, this will be your home page and that's it, okay? It's super easy. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you should start promoting on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, that it doesn't work like that. We need to do research and to see what product will be, what products that are trending and which products will people will be interested to buy. Okay, so how we can find a good product? So what you will do is you will go to your YouTube account, open your YouTube homepage like this. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on YouTube, we will use YouTube search to find what product people are searching for, okay? So why we choose YouTube? Because guys, YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I will share with you, okay? 31 billion monthly visitors, and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2, okay? So anyway, open your YouTube account like this, click on the search and ask questions. For example, you will ask how to lose belly fat, for example, and here you go. You just need to ask question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. People searching for how to lose belly fat in 1 week, how to lose belly fat fast, how to lose belly fat for kids, how to lose belly fat exercise, how to lose belly fat in 1 day, in 7 days, at home, and so on. So those people has a problem. They want to lose belly fat, okay? So that's the problem. So what I will do, I will go to Amazon. Go to Google, search for Amazon, and go and click on the first link and you will be directly in this Amazon website, okay? That's it. Click on the search for belly fat. Let's search for product that will help those people to lose belly fat fast, okay? And scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here, a lot of sellers who provide this product, okay? So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews and sellers who provide good price. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check those sellers, they will check the feedback of his customers, and those sellers should be good sellers. So I think this one looks good. Like this one has a lot of reviews here, 33,000 reviews. Look how many people paid for this service, okay? For this product. So you see guys, a lot of people are buying those products to lose belly fat, okay? Here is another one. So I'm gonna choose this one. I will just click on this product image, and you will be directly in this product seller page on Amazon. Okay, you can see, guys, this product is a really good one. This seller has a lot of reviews. So what you will do next, you will scroll down, pay attention, scroll down, go to about this item, and copy. This is the description of this product. So what you will do, you will copy this description. So just copy this description, and what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for ChatGPT. So I want to turn this product description into a YouTube script video. I will use AI. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page over here like this. All you have to do, it's for free. You just need to use your email address to sign up, and you can use the free version. It's for free. This will be your home page. Click over here on message and ask ChatGPT, turn this product description into YouTube script up to 48 seconds, and put this product description here, and that's it. Scroll down, and ChatGPT will turn this product description into YouTube script. Okay, it's really amazing. Okay, this is my description. Scroll down, and I asked him to give me the full script without edits. Okay, and this is my final script. Okay, say goodbye to Billy Fat Like a Pro with our by play fat trimmer increase. That's really good. So this is your script, and that's it. What you will do next, you will copy this script. You need to turn this script into voiceover. So follow those steps. Go back to Google. To turn this YouTube script into voiceover, go back to Google, search for PlayHT. Search for this website. Click on this link here. This is an AI website that will turn your YouTube script into voiceover. Sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Put your YouTube script here. Also, you can click on change voice, and you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. They have different voiceovers. They have American voiceover, British voiceover, Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover, Italian voiceover, and so much more. Okay, and they have high quality.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion.
So you see, that's really high quality voiceovers, and they are for free. So for me, I always choose this one, female voiceover. I like to use this one. So just choose the voiceover that you want to use. For me, for example, this one, and scroll down and click on confirm. And that's it. Your voiceover will be here. Put your YouTube script here. I put my YouTube script here and click on generate. Okay, and that's it. This website will turn your script into voiceover. After you finish, click on export and click on as a single audio file, and that's it. You have now a voiceover. So what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Just follow those steps. They are really super easy, guys. Okay, I'm trying to make this video super easy. Anyone can understand and anyone can start. Search for Canva, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page. It's for free, guys. Okay, just click over here. So this will be your Canva home page. Click on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you will do next, you will click here on upload. Click on upload file and upload your voiceover that you exported from the PlayHT website. Okay, you remember this. So upload your, I'm gonna go to downloads to upload my voiceover, and here you go. This is my voiceover. I will click, so let me show you. So this is my voiceover. I will click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. Okay, click on your voiceover, and here you go. Your voiceover will be under this page. So what we need now is we need a video about this product. So what you will do, You will go back to this Amazon product page. Go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down. You should see here videos, okay? Click on those videos. I'm gonna put this and click over here. Click on this video here. Click on the second one, okay? Click on this video. Click over here on full screen. Click on full screen. Is you will turn your screen recording on and you will record this product video, okay? Just record this product like this product video, record it to your laptop like this, okay? It's super easy. After you record this video, because you cannot download this video, you need to record it from Amazon. After you record this video, go back to your Canva, to this page, click over here on upload file and upload this video that you recorded on Amazon. Let me see. I think it's this one. This one, okay? You see, I already recorded this video. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. If you click here on videos, you should find your video here, okay? So just click on your video, click on the video that you recorded. This video will be over here to your Canva page and click over here on 3 points. Click on set video as background like this, okay? Click on this video, click over here on audio and remove the background volume. Make the background volume to 0. Decrease the volume of the background to 0. That's it. We don't want any background music. Okay? And here you go, guys. You just created your video. Let's
Say
check.
goodbye to belly fat like a...
Okay, let's check. And let me know, guys, your opinion.
Say goodbye to belly fat like a pro with our Bye Bye Belly Fat Trimmer Belt. Increase sweating during your workouts and build your perfect shape.
And here you go. You see, guys, that's really good. This is the voiceover explaining this product to those people who want to lose belly fat, giving those people more information about this product and how this product will help those people to lose belly fat, and that's it. After you finish, click over here on text. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use, and your text style will be over here like this. I'm going to delete the second one, and I'm going to decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Okay, double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. That's it. Okay, look, it's looking good. Check link in my description, okay? And here you go. You should
Say
have
goodbye
a
to
video
belly
like this
fat
one.
like a pro with our Bye Bye Belly Fat Trimmer Belt. Increase sweating during your workouts and build your perfect shape effortlessly. This is the trimmer belt that really works. But don't just take our word for it. Check out these customer testimonials.
Guys, here you go. So you can also add some background music to make this video more engaging and professional. You can click on upload and upload your background music that you want to add. I already have a lot of background music here. If you don't know how to find background music, go to YouTube, search for no copyright background music. You have a limited background music on YouTube. Go to Google, search for a website that you can use to get this background music, and that's it. Okay, I already have a lot. So you just need to click on your background. I'm gonna click on the first video, click on your background music, for example, like this, and your background music will be added under your video and your script. Click on your background music, click over here on volume, this icon, and you can decrease the background music volume just to 30, maybe 30, maybe like this, okay? And that's it. After you finish, you should have a video like this one, okay? Let me show you. Let's check.
Say goodbye to belly fat like a pro with our Bye Bye Belly Fat Trimmer Belt. increase sweating during your workouts, and build your perfect shape effortlessly. This is the trimmer belt that really works. But don't just take our word for it. Check out these customer testimonials. You'll be impressed by the results. Strong core, stabilized body, all thanks to this amazing belt. With a flexible, custom fit, you'll forget you're even wearing it. No slipping, no pulling, no scratching, made with 100% neoprene supreme. One size fits all. Get your belly fat trimmer belt today and start your journey to a slimmer, stronger you. Order now.
Here you go, guys. Guys, don't forget this. Check link in description here. This part, okay? This one. Don't forget this one. That's it. Is this a good video? It's your own video. It's your own voiceover. And you recorded this video. Add this. You can even edit this video, make it more engaging if you want. You can add some emojis, maybe some effects, some translation if you want. After you finish, click on share. Click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. It's your own video. Don't worry about any copyright issue with YouTube, okay? Because you are adding your voiceover and you add your own background music, okay? After you finish, go to YouTube, upload this video to your YouTube channel, put this title, how to lose belly fat, and put this one, fast, because this title is a really clickbait title. That's really good. Use this one, how to lose belly fat fast, okay? Upload this video, go back to your Amazon account, okay, to this Amazon products page, and so we choose this product, okay? So you already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you should see this bar here, Amazon Associate Stripe site Stripe, okay? You should see here text. Click on text, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Just copy this link like this and go back to YouTube and put this link into your YouTube description. So those people who want to lose belly fat, they will be interested to buy this product. For me, I'm already interested, and I know a lot of you guys will be interested even to give it a try, to try this product to lose belly fat, okay? This one. And that's it, guys. It's really easy. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. That's how we can choose a good product that's gonna work for you. You will not choose product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. Choose products related to what people are searching for, okay? So those people has problem. You need to give those people solution to solve those problems. So the problem is they have belly fat and they want to lose belly fat. This product will help those people to lose belly fat, and that's it. There is no secret, guys. You just need to stay consistent. You need to do more research. You need to promote product. Be smart. Think smart. Do more research. Choose product that will help people to solve their problems, and of course they will buy it. If those people has problems, of course they will buy those products from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, and that's it. This is how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic on YouTube, how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, and that's it. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and like this video. If you are interested to see more methods like this, new methods, new strategies, comment affiliate marketing, and they will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that you can use to promote your affiliate links and earn a lot of commission every single month, okay? Also, guys, my affiliate marketing course will be done maybe in just 1 week. It's really close to be done. This will be the best affiliate marketing business ever that you can get, okay? You can see the method that I'm sharing with you, and you can imagine what will be inside my affiliate marketing course. Okay, guys, I will keep you updated and see you in my next videos.